it's Gina with WTI. Are you like me and the first thing you look for when buying new towels is whether they're cute and match the decor in your house? That's one reason I had to get this 5-pack of kitchen towels from Cotton Clinic, but beyond that, they are so useful and absorbent. These are lint-free. I've washed them many times in my washing machine and dried them, and I just love there's no pills or anything like that on them. Check out how fast they lick up water from this bowl. Now, I've noticed that there is a little bit of difference in texture between the 5 towels, but they're all 100% cotton and they all absorb just as well as the other. Some of them have a more linen-like texture and some of them have a more muslin-like texture. I just really like that. I think it brings a nice variety to my kitchen and really enhances the look of it. These do not scratch. In fact, I feel totally comfortable using them to dry off my nonstick pans. I know that they're not going to cause any damage to that. I also have really dry and rough hands most of the time, and so I really appreciate that these are soft and they don't tug on my hands when I dry them. These are 16 by 28 inches. I love that they pack down really well because I have small drawers in my kitchen, so I need something that is really going to fit in them and be able to have room for other things like dishcloths. Cotton Clinic has a lot of different colors, and you're sure to find the perfect set for your kitchen. I really love them, and that's my point of view.